Yours creations in life. Sabudana Challa Punugulu. They completely wash sabudana and soak them for 4 hours. They call these ingredients shown. In the 3 cups of sabudana, add curd and mix it well. Let's add 1 cup of rice flour, pinch of salt and baking powder. Time to add the ingredients. Mix. Time for frying punugulu. Wow, that sizzle. My punugulu are ready. We can dip it in any kind of chutney, sauce or even tomato sauce. Tasty, mini, scrumptious, mouth-watering punugulu are ready. Now I'm gonna open it up. Look at that. Time to dip in chutney and eat it. This recipe is yummy, tasty, nutritious. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press that notification bell. Thank you. Bye.